Hi everyone, welcome to 3D Mechanical Design. I'm a mechanical engineer with over 20 years of hands-on experience using SolidWorks for real production sheet metal and mechanical projects. In this tutorial, the focus will be on two powerful sheet metal features, Swept Flange and hem, and how to use them to build manufacturable parts efficiently. If this walkthrough helps your design workflow, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your questions, and support the channel so more SolidWorks content can be created. Let's jump straight into the model and get started. As always, begin on the front plane and create a new sketch. Draw a vertical construction line. Then add a center point arc and make the lower point of the arc coincident with this center line. From the top point of the arc, draw a straight line that is tangent to the arc. Then mirror this line and the arc about the vertical center line to keep the profile fully symmetric. Apply the dimensions. Set the arc radius to 2 inches, the straight segment length to 1.5 inches, and define the included angle between the two straight segments as 60 degrees. Once the first sketch is fully defined, create a reference plane through the top point of the profile, oriented normal, perpendicular, to the sloped line to prepare for the next operation. Use the new reference plane to build the second sketch, which will determine the profile of the part. Create a vertical line and a short horizontal leg. Then mirror these entities about the horizontal center line so the profile is symmetric and fully constrained. Apply the key dimensions. Set the vertical height to 1.5 inches, the horizontal leg to 0.375 inches, and ensure the profile is anchored to the origin for stable downstream features. Confirm the sketch and switch to the Sheet Metal tab. Then launch the Swept Flange command, using this second sketch as the profile and the original sketch as the sweep path. Assign sheet metal parameters with a 14-gauge thickness and an inside bend radius of 0.1 inches. Then accept the feature to generate the form strip. Next, activate the hem tool and pick the two upper edges of the swept flange to roll them over into closed eyelets. In the hem options, set the hem radius to 0.375 inches. Choose the teardrop style and define the hem angle as 207 degrees before confirming the operation. This gives a pair of eyelets that match the drawing. And the final step is to round the remaining sharp corners with fillets and add the 0.5-inch holes at the specified locations. If this workflow helps your sheet metal design, consider liking the video, leaving a comment with your questions, and subscribing for more SolidWorks tutorials. Thank you.